Hello everyone, today we will explain how to replace the RTK antenna of cell tower. The following tools are needed: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or a pry bar. The specific steps are as follows. Disassembly operation. Loosen the two fixing screws of the RTK antenna material shell prepared in advance. Use a pry bar or a flathead screwdriver to pry open the shell and take out the RTK antenna inside. Remove the base station base and two receiving antennas by hand rotation. Loosen the four fixing screws under the base station. Use a pry bar or flathead screwdriver to remove the lower shell and take out the waterproof rubber ring after removing it. Loosen the three fixing screws on the circuit board, lift the circuit board upward, and remove the cable connecting the RTK antenna in the middle. Loosen the four screws on the circuit board under the battery and lift the battery and connected circuit board upward. When removing the battery, thread the RTK antenna connection wire through the hole in the middle of the circuit board. Loosen the two screws fixed on the RTK antenna. Remove the RTK antenna upward and disconnect the cable on the RTK antenna. Assembly operation. Connect the prepared RTK antenna with the RTK cable. Please note that you need to remove the adhesive strip from the RTK antenna when installing, and place it downward in the center of the base station shell. Place the notches on both sides of the RTK antenna on the screw holes and use screws to fix it. Thread the RTK cable through the center hole of the circuit board secured by the battery, and secure the four screws corresponding to the circuit board. Connect the RTK connection wire to the circuit board and install the circuit board downward, with the hole position of the circuit board corresponding to the screw hole position. Please note when installing, two buttons in front of the base station are easy to fall off. When installing, ensure that the buttons are installed in place, and then lock the three screws on the circuit board. Arrange the waterproof rubber ring along the edge of the base station shell. Press down the base station bottom shell. Install the screw holes on the bottom shell accordingly, and tighten all four fixing screws. Connect the receiving antenna and base station base to the base station, and the assembly is completed. Above is today's lesson. Follow the TopXGun channel for more plant protection skills.